Hello world, hello YouTube, tube. Sorry. Hello everybody. Great God Almighty, you should see the storm that showed up in the last hour. I mean to tell you what, I can't believe it. I'm in fear now. I mean, it's bad. I mean, I had blue skies at noon and it's 1 o'clock and I'm looking at this. I can't believe what I'm witnessing. Let's go look at the front. I fixed my back door with some sheet ball. See, look at this. Wow, I can't believe it. It really hit. Ooh, and it's cold. Man, alive! 48 degrees. I mean to tell you what, amazing. Let's go out here and see if you stay. We got scoured the ground. Wow. This came in, I mean, I've never seen it come in hardcore like this. I'm gonna have freight trained in here. Ew! Straight out of the south 2 hours ago. Now they switched it straight out of the north. The mic is on this, I can't hide it. Oh! Look at it come in. Sorry about the noise of the wind. I mean, it is. Ah! I gotta find a windbreak. Oh man, I mean to tell you what, it dropped 20 degrees in like minutes. Let's go to the back because that's blew over my thing. That was up in the corner here. Blew up my sidewalk. Holy moly. This is amazing. Let me get still here. Wow, look at that. Sorry. I'm watching 2 and 3 things at once here. Look at the dust go over that hill. if I keep my shed. I got enough crap in it, you know, to where it'll keep the floor down. I've never seen anything like this here. I've been out here going on 20 years. My eyes are filling with sand. Oh. Oh, the jug went. Damn it. I was drying jugs. And then blew that string down and took them all off. How the hell did that happen? Well, there goes that project. So I get for, you know, being kind of lazy-boned. Action scene. Astounding. Look at that. The sky is the color of dirt. It's going to mix up into them clouds, and we're going to have us a mud storm. Wow. I'm hiding behind Rupert. The only way I can do this is I step out in that street, man, I'm done. I mean, I couldn't believe the onset of this storm. Still lifting the dirt from the north. Astounding. All right, how many minutes? 7 minutes. Well, I think you get the idea. Look at that. It's nothing but dirt. It's just dirt. Dirt clouds. Clouds of dirt. See, every time I step out away from the bus. Wow. I do a video of people's chonies. Oh, it's starting to rain. Watch, it's going to be a mud storm. An out-and-out mud storm. I'm going to go on the bus and load this up. Because I'm getting cold. Look at that. Oh, man. Listen to my shed. Look at my window, my thingy. Ah! I got to go in. Ah! Lightning. See, this is a fear storm. I fear these, man. I don't feel good. They're fun and all. Your Mata's scared. You all right, Mata? Right, and I'm running out of battery power. You know, these are roof pullers. I bet you we see damage. They're calling for 60-mile-an-hour gusts. And they're starting to rain. The next door neighbor's dogs are out. All right, I'm going to upload this and charge the battery because this is the best is yet to come. I'm telling you. All right.